Hi, Thomas here. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to rename drop zones in your custom titles or generators in Final Cut Pro 10 using Motion 5. And all in easy 8 steps. I'm using a generator here. Okay, let's get started. Okay, when you create and add drop zones, Motion automatically names them, so you have like drop zone 1, drop zone 2 and so on. And we don't want that, so go back to Motion and unpublish them. Rename them the way you like. Having done that, publish them again, save your file and go to Final Cut. Here, delete your generator from the timeline and drop a new instance of it. As you can see, the names got changed, but they are not in order. I would like them to be top left, top right and bottom. So grab the bottom one and move it up. Then save the file and go back to Final Cut. Delete the instance from the timeline and drop a new one with updated information and parameters. And that's it. You're done. You're good to go. Enjoy your renamed drop zones.